यदि हम सिमुलेशन बेस्ड नर्सिंग की बात करें कि वाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, सो सिमुलेशन बेस्ड नर्सिंग इज़ इन द सेंस इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सिमुलेशन बेस्ड बच्चे बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस कर पा रहे हैं और बहुत जल्दी ग्रैप कर पा रहे हैं चीज़ों को। जो भी स्किल्स, जो भी ट्रेनिंग उनको सिमुलेशन बेस्ड दी जा रही है, न्यू हाई फिडेलिटी मैनिक्विन्स के साथ दी जा रही है, बच्चे उसको ईजिली और बहुत जल्दी से ग्रैप कर पाते हैं और समझ के उस चीज़ को अपने माइंड में रखते हुए वो क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस के लिए जाते हैं और बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस कर पाते हैं और आगे चल के एक अच्छी नर्स के रूप में साबित हो रहे हैं।
Myself Pooja Pandey. I am working as an assistant professor in Samapa Institute of Nursing. So basically, I come here for the give little bit introduction about our simulation skill lab. So this lab is used basically all types of nursing procedures and performing the various kind of skills by the nursing students as well as the staff also. In this lab, basically all departments simulation is there, and also the various types of dummy and mannequins are there. So start from this. Here the all are from the midwifery department. This is for the abdominal examinations, and here we divided about the stations for the performing the different types of skills. So in this station basically we perform the abdominal examination, and in this station we are performing the PV examination. This is this basically done during the antenatal examination or at the time of intranatal period. Then this station is for the neonatal resuscitation. After the delivery of the newborn, if the baby have some breathing difficulty or if the baby have some distress, then if the baby need resuscitation, then we use this station. Then this is multi-purpose dummy of mother. This is used for the various type of procedures such as catheterization, RT tube insertion, RT feeding, and also the vaginal examination, abdominal care, eye care, hair care. Various types of nursing procedure is performed in this dummy. Then this dummy is mannequin is used for the AMPSL procedure. Basically this is done in the maternal period for the uterus examination and also the this AMTSL procedure. Then come in this station. In this station, here two mannequins are there. First is mama breast. This is used for the breastfeeding and the breast examination. And then the next mannequin is for the PP, IUCD and IUCD. This is used for the intrauterine contraceptive devices. Then this station is for use. This station is used basically for the CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation in the adult patient. So here this mannequin is basically used for the resuscitation as well as cardiac massage both. Then this is a pediatric dummy. Basically this dummy is preschooler child, and this is multi-purpose dummy. In this mannequin we use the various type of nursing procedure such as oral care, eye care, catheterization, feeding, examination. Then in this station also here the adult female multi-purpose dummy. This is also used the various type of nursing procedures. Then this station is basically used for the injectable administration. Two hand mannequins is there, one for the IM injection, one for the ID and IV injection administration.